Good morning everyone, this is Dr. Devashish and let's solve this next question from daily statistics MCQ series. So this question is about moment generating function. Okay, so we have given this moment generating function and we need to find the value of 8 multiply expectation x. Okay, so moment generating function mxt is actually expected value of e raised to the power tx. Okay, expectation e raised to the power tx. Okay, and we know that for discrete random variable, this MGF is actually summation e raised to the power tx multiply probability x equals to small x. Okay, and I should also tell you for a continuous random variable, this mxt is also expectation e raised to the power tx, but it is opening like integration e raised to the power tx into fx dx, where this fx is pdf and this probability is PMF or discrete probability. Okay, so this is the formula which is being used in this question. If you look at this closely, you can see that it is summation of e raised to the power tx into probabilities, and you can clearly see over here that 1 by 12, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, all of these are probabilities. So you can write it as mxt is equals to 1 by 12 multiply e raised to the power t into 0 plus 1 by 6 multiply e raised to the power t into 1, since it is e raised to the power t, plus 1 by 3 multiply e raised to the power t into 2, plus 1 by 4 e raised to the power t into minus 1. That's why you will get 1 by 4 e raised to the power minus t plus 1 by 6 e into e raised to the power t into minus 2. So by writing this given MGF as this, you can clearly see that for x equals to 0, the probability of x equals to small x is actually 1 by 12. Okay, let me change the color of the pen. Okay, for x equals to 0, the probability is 1 by 12. For x equals to 1, the probability of 1, for x equals to 1, the probability is 1 by 6. Let me write these directly. For x equals to 2, the probability is 1 by 3. Okay, for x equals to minus 1, the probability is 1 by 4. For x equals to minus 2, the probability is 1 by 6. Okay, so in this way you are having entire probability mass function or the probability distribution. Now you can clearly find you can easily find the expectation of x value. Okay, so expectation of x is summation x into probability of x. Okay, so it is 0 into 1 by 12 plus 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus minus 1 into 1 by 4 plus minus 2 into 1 by 6. So it will become 0. So it will become 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and this one will be minus 1 by 3. So the LCM of these numbers will be 12. So it will be 2 plus 4 2 is 8 minus 3 minus 4. So it will give you 8 or 2 10, 10 minus 7 to 3 by 12. That is 1 by 4. Expectation of x is 1 by 4. And you need to find what? You need to find 8 multiply expectation x. So 8 multiply expectation x is equals to 8 multiply 1 by 4, that is 2. Okay, so 2 is the correct option. So option C is the correct answer. So apart from this, there is another approach. You can differentiate the given MGF m dash xt and put t equals to 0. When you differentiate any moment generating function and then put t equals to 0, it gives you the value of expectation x. Okay, so in this way you can also find MGF, or you can also find expected value of x, but since this method is easy and it is fast, since I was explaining it to you, so it is taking much time, but when you get to used to it, then it will be the easiest way to solve such questions. So I hope you understood the solution, and I also urge you to check out other videos on my channel. If these videos are helpful, then I would like you to please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.